I run the farm mostly on my own with my wife and little boy. It's 3,000 acres we've up here of hill country, all this kind of rough land. And you've seen it already in the way up from Kenmare, the valleys up from Kenmare towards Avoca and all the ways down here. So it's quite an area to cover. And at the moment we're running 1,000 breeding sheep and about 800 lambs on it. And this is the time of the year where we're going out and rounding them up for shearing. So they all have to come back here for shearing. Now this time of the year is green and I've loads of grass, but if you come back here in anything from October onwards, the grass changes colour into brown, like straw colour.
Oh wow.
And February and March, then are the tough ones. February, March and April, if you take out a lot of feed to the sheep to keep them alive. And this winter for the first time it went -10 here for some nights during the winter. Lie down. Get out. Walk on. Walk on. Walk on. Stand. Lie down now. That's it. Jade. 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 Left. Left. Jade. 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 Left. Left. Stand there, Nat. Lie down. Look back, Nat. Look back. Look back. Away. 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 Away, Nat. Away. Away. Away, Nat. Away. 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 Where left, Kitty? Come on, Nat. Come by, Nat. Come by. Come by. Stand, Nat. Away, Nat. Away. 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 Away, Nat. Away. Away. Away.
Hello.
Okay.
Hello, kids. Oh.
So there were snow drifts that lasted a long time. I never remember anything like it.
No, never like it.
So it can get quite tough here on the winter.
Yeah.
Other than that, it's a fantastic place to live.
Yes.
Okay, obviously to keep the sheep under control I need the dogs, and I be it at the moment. This is Jane and Nan. Jane is trained on commands left and right, and when I whistle she looks back for hand signals. Nan is on commands come by is left, away is right, and I say things like get out, that means get out to the sheep. Different ways. That's the way that we can work two of them together. On the mountains maybe I'd work 2 or 3. And their lifespan on the hills will be about 10 or 11 years, barring any injuries. Or what happened the other last week, one of them got killed in an accident, so that can happen as well. It was a bad day. My helper who meets her up in the barn, Casey, she's from New Mexico. She fell down the mountain and a dog got killed in the one day, but those things happen. But anyway, okay guys, I'll show you a little bit here what we're doing.